This is exercise 1A. We are going to see about the rational and irrational numbers. Okay, the first question is whether 0 is a rational number or not. Yes, 0 is a rational number because it can be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. The next question, every whole number is a natural number. Whole number means that includes 0. That includes 0, but natural number starts from 1. So this statement is false. Then second one, every whole number is a rational number. Yeah, it's true because every whole number including 0, it's a rational number. We can write it in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Okay, every integer is a rational number. Yeah, this is also true. This is also true because every integer is a rational number. Yes, the integer can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q is not equal to 0. Sorry, p and q are integers. The next one, every rational number is a whole number. No, because every rational number, 2, 3, 2 by 3 or minus 2 by 3, they are rational numbers, but they are not whole numbers. So false. Then third sum, they have given minus 5 by 9, 7, comma 7 by 12, comma minus 2 by 3 and 11 by 18. First, they are asking us to write it in the ascending order, and they also asked to find out the difference between the smallest and largest. Here, first we need to take the LCM. Okay. Then based on that, we need to convert all the denominators to the LCM value, that is 36. For that, we are doing minus 5 by 9 into 4 by 4. I think you must have known these steps. So we need to find out like that. Then after converting after converting to the common denominator, we need to write it in the ascending order. We should start from the smallest one. Here we are having negative numbers, so negative numbers are the smallest one compared to the positive number. So we are starting with minus 24 by 36, comma minus 20 by 36 and 21 by 36 and 22 by 36. We have written in ascending order from smallest to largest. Then we need to find out the difference between the largest and the smallest. Here largest is 21 by 18. The largest is the 11 by 18, and smallest one is minus 2 by 3. So if we subtract, we'll get 1.3. We'll get something and we'll write it in the decimal place with one decimal place. Sorry, with one decimal point. Then arrange in descending order. Next sum. So in the same way, first we need to take the LCM. Then we need to get the common denominator for all the four numbers. Then we should write it in the descending order, that is from the biggest one to the smallest one. Okay, then we need to find out the sum of the lowest and largest. We need to find the sum. So here the lowest is minus 1 by 4 and largest is 5 by 8. So we'll get 3 by 8. 3 by 8, we need to write it with two decimal points, so 0.375. Here we are getting 5, so 7 is converted into 0.38. Okay, next sum, what we need to do without doing actual division, find which of the following rational number has terminating decimal representation. Okay, for that we need to use if any number which can be written in the form of 2 power m and 5 power n, that m and n are integers. If the number has been written in the form of 2 power m and into 5 power n, then it is the terminating decimal representation. It is having terminating decimal representation. The first one is 7 by 16. 16, we need to do the division and we can find it out. The factors are 2 into 5. Okay, so only 2 we got. So 2 to the power 4 and 5 to the power 0. We can write it because we are not having 5 as a factor. So we can write it 5 to the power 0, which in turn gives the value 1. So 2 power 4 into 1. So it is the terminating decimal. The next one, 124. Here we are having exactly 5. Only we are having only 5. The factor 2 is not there. So here also we can write it 2 power 0. Okay, because 2 is not there, and 5 to the power 3. 2 power 0, then the value is any number to the power 0, the value is 1. Okay, then next one, 9 by 14. Here we are getting 2 and 7. So it is not in the form of 5 to the power m and 2 to the power, 2 to the power m and 5 to the power n. So it is not a terminating decimal. Again 45. For that again we are getting 5 into 3. Factors are 5 into 3. So it is not a terminating decimal. Then 43 by 15. For that again we get 2 into 5, 5 to the power 2. Okay, so it is a terminating decimal. For 40, sorry, this is for 50, this is for 40. For 40 also we are getting 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 1. So it is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So it is a terminating decimal. Then next one, for 75, we are getting factors 5 and 3. Okay, 3 is not a, so it is not in the format of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So it is not a terminating decimal. Again, the last one, we are getting the factors 5 to the power 3 into 2. So it is in the same format as 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So it is a terminating decimal. We'll go to the next chapter. Thank you. So, so here just we finished the, we have selected the pen. That's it.